How to fix the crypto.com application is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to use the crypto.com app but it's not working, here are some fixes. First and foremost, you need to check for your internet connection. If the app is not working, try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if it resolves the issue. Likewise, to check if it is not a server-side issue, you can go on websites like Down Detector to check if there are other complaints regarding the app. Next up, you have to update the app to the latest version. So go to your App Store depending upon your device type. Once you have gone to your Play Store or App Store, head over to the search bar and type in crypto.com and check if an update is available. Update the app to the latest version as outdated versions may cause functionality issues. Next up, you have to clear the cache. In order to do so, head over to Settings. Once you go to Settings, scroll down until you find the option of Applications. It might be with a different name in different devices. Once you have gone to Apps, you will have to now check for the option of your application, which is crypto.com, and click on it. After clicking on it, you land to a page like this. After this, tap on Storage and Cache and then clear the cache. Next process is to close all the background applications. Once you have done so, relaunch the app and it should probably work. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.